In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're offering a percentage off or a flat rate discount to your clients, this process is straightforward and will help ensure your invoices accurately reflect any discounts you wish to provide. Let's begin by navigating to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in your dashboard, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on this button. This step is your gateway to creating a variety of transactions, but for our purpose today, we'll be focusing on creating an invoice. After clicking on New, you'll be presented with a list of options. Look for the Invoice option and select it. This action will open up a new blank invoice template where you can start adding the necessary details for your transaction. Now, it's time to input the details of your invoice. You'll want to provide comprehensive information, which includes the customer's name, the service or product being billed, and any other pertinent details like the invoice date or due date. Being thorough here ensures the information is clear for both you and your customer. As you scroll down towards the bottom of this invoice form, you'll find the section for the invoice amount totals. It's here in this section where you will apply the discount. Look closely and you'll see an option allowing you to choose the type of discount you want to apply. QuickBooks Online offers flexibility by allowing you to select between a percentage or a flat amount for your discount. Consider which option makes sense for your situation. If you choose a percentage, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the percentage of the total invoice amount. For a flat amount, you'll manually input the specific dollar value you intend to discount from the total. Choose the type that fits your needs and enter the amount accordingly. Once you've entered your discount, take a moment to review the details of the invoice. Ensuring all the information is correct helps maintain a professional presentation and minimizes errors. When you're satisfied that everything looks good, it's time to finalize your work by clicking the Save button on the invoice. And there you have it. Your invoice now reflects the discount you've chosen to apply. This simple feature can be incredibly beneficial for maintaining good customer relations, providing added value, and making sure your billing practices are as effective as they can be. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful in improving your QuickBooks Online skill set. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Stay tuned for more helpful tips.